Heuchera obsidian, hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. Gradually spreads and is a great weed controller, 8 out of 10. Likes partial and full shade, 7 out of 10. It's pretty bulletproof, 10 out of 10. Hard as nails, 10 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 44 out of 50. Follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera sugar frosting, a hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. Bees do like the small little flowers, 8 out of 10. They do like a little bit of shade, 8 out of 10. They are pretty robust beasties, 10 out of 10. No real pests or diseases, 10 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 45 out of 50. Follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Fire Chief, wonderful hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. Gradually spreads to stop those weeds, 8 out of 10. It does like a bit of shade, 8 out of 10. Just let it do its thing really, 9 out of 10. It's pretty robust, 9 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 43 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Midnight Rose, lovely hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. It's a great clumping plant, forms nice balls, 10 out of 10. Will thrive in the semi-shade, 9 out of 10. You need to split it every few years though, keep that growth going, 9 out of 10. It likes good drainage, 8 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 45 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Black Beauty, a brilliant hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. The buzzy creatures do love the flowers, 10 out of 10. Likes a bit of nice partial shade, 10 out of 10. Needs air circulation to keep it nice and healthy though, 9 out of 10. Slugs and snails can like these, so protect them, 8 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 47 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Black Forest Gatto, wonderful hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Insects love the flowers and the protection from the foliage as they grow, 10 out of 10. They do like a bit of shade though, so we'll give it a 9 out of 10. Likes to be split after a few years to encourage more growth, 9 out of 10. It does like drainage on the rooty poosies, 10 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 48 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious.